Hello YouTube. Yeah, I went and got a ESAB A50, the Sentinel A50. I got this back in January. I was going to do a little review on it after I got a little more time on it. But yeah, I've had it since mid-January, Memorial Day weekend, and figures. Saturday afternoon on a holiday weekend, I was going to do some welding, and it crapped out on me on that Saturday. And thought maybe the batteries went dead. Went and got new batteries, no luck. And also turned out that two of the spare batteries I got, they were dead too when I bought them off the shelf. So yeah, finally got new batteries. Called Baker's Gas up and said, hey, you know, this thing not working. I said, okay, we'll take care of it. I got a hold of ESAB. They got me out a new ADF unit pretty quick. Called Tuesday after Memorial Day, and I got it this morning. It's Monday, June 3rd, so a day short of being an actual week. So I got it taken care of pretty quick. Guys over at Baker's were good to deal with. Got the new unit, got the new batteries in it, works fine. We'll just have to wait and see some of the features. I unboxed it, had the helmet. It's on a do-rag. Got 4 extra lenses. 2 clear, 2 yellow. Got a nice storage bag, put it in. I mean, they got it together. I really like, I mean, it's really comfortable to wear. You got all these adjustments on it. Got the one going across the back here, or the front. Got one in the middle, kind of in the back, kind of cradles your head good. It's got a nice soft piece in the back here, mounts on the back of your head there. It's kind of like a sweatband. And it's pretty flexible, really fits you. You don't even really know you got it on. It's got a nice sweatband up across the front. Display screen's really nice. It's got that touch screen in here. Hit the display. It's got 8 memory settings. Change your SED, sensitivity, delay. And it gives you 8 memory settings. It's got an external grind button on the top there. And it's pretty flush, so you don't really hit it. You just hit that, hit your grind, and another nice thing about it's got grind mode light down in here. That'll blink when the grind's on, so you don't forget to flip your helmet back on. But other than that, I mean, it worked great until it didn't. Then ESAB took care of it for me, so we'll go from here. It's supposed to have 3-year warranty on it. ESAB's got an ironclad warranty thing they're doing. So I mean, overall satisfaction. Even though the ADF died on me, I'm happy with the service and stuff that I got through Baker's and ESAB. They handled it pretty quick, so I don't have any complaints there. So other than that, I think that's about it. I'll talk to you later, YouTube. Thanks for watching.